The Nigerian Association of Resident Doctors has been on the news in recent past owing to weeks of industrial action for government's inability to fulfill their own part of agreement reached with NARD some years ago. It is on this premise that the National Institute for Policy and Strategic Studies, KURU, organized this 5-day workshop on effective policymaking and strategic leadership. The Director General of NIPSS says this move will better reposition the health sector in the administrative and leadership roles.
The idea is to solve problems. The idea is to make our society better. The idea is to ensure that everybody receives the dividend of democracy. The health sector is important, and NIPSS is poised to guide both government and the operators of the system to ensure we get the health care that we deserve.
If this measure is put together more often, NARD says it will create better synergy between them and the government for better society.
This is quite apt that strategically at periodic times for this able body, for this foremost policy-making body in the country, to invite NARD members from time to time for this to be continued. It will help, it will go a long way in restructuring and redirecting how we engage government to solve these problems.
Commending NIPSS for the workshop, the health practitioners say they are now better informed to serve humanity better.
I learned to now look holistically at the problems and analyze the situation different from what is obtainable elsewhere, and then I'm now working systematically in terms of even having my advocacy decisions being timed to when certain governing council decisions would be made.
It is for the good of our country, for the good of mankind, and essentially for the doctors and the welfare of doctors in this country.
Leaders you see here who carry everything learned to our members for a better health sector, I can assure you that. And we have also learned how to do things better. We've learned a lot: policy development, advocacy, teamwork, and much more.
This will go in a long way in resolving this industrial dispute.
With programs such as this, there are expectations that the nation's sectors will have a more cordial relationship with government, with hopes of improving the system. In Plateau State, for News Central, Chizoba, Anionwe.